big hello and welcome to all the planner moms, glam moms, and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I'm coming on to you with a haul from Cultivate What Matters launch day. So I think this was during October. This launch was. However, I just received it now because I had ordered it in my PO box and I was waiting for some orders in US because I live in the Middle East. In Qatar, so I waited for all the packages to come together, and finally I got it shipped from Stackery. That's the PO box service that I use, and it ships within within 8 days. I received it in Qatar already. So this is the launch day. I had ordered the bundle in which you get this and you get the big pouch, the small pouch, and some of the accessories. So I'm going to show you first the accessories and then we'll go into the planner. So if you all don't know what is Cultivate Matter, the ones who have clicked here already know about it. So coming 2022, my plan is also to showcase some of my goal planning, what I'm planning to do, because I want 22, my word for 2022 will be intentional, to be more intentional in whatever things that I do. So that's the word I would be doing, and this is the December 1st week, so the prep work for the Cultivate What Matters already begins. So I would be starting it on my husband's day off. I would go for 2-3 hours and go about it. So the first thing that I got is this is the huge pouch that in this pink color. It's a nice pouch. It's quite big size. I like because I'm going to put all my goal planning stuff in this pouch itself. I'm not going to move everything from Cultivate Matters will go in this pouch. So on the day I'm planning to do some prep work, I'm going to go to the terrace in my apartment and sit for good 2 hours, 3 hours, and my husband will take care of my daughter. So that's the plan. So you can fit in everything, all your markers, everything goes, including your planner. I'll show you at the end how it fits. So I picked up this pouch. I also picked up this small pouch. In the bundle you could choose both the pouches. I think that's a very good deal, and I picked it during the launch time. I think they offer that. So this was the second pouch I picked up, where you can put your pens and stuff, and it's like a planning pack from Erin Condren, where it fits into your planner, and then again you can put a lot of supplies and all. Even if you're traveling, this is very useful. Then another thing that I picked up was this wildcard dashboard page, so you can stick your wildcards. And I picked up the sticker book. So this is the sticker book, gold sticker book. This is my first time using Cultivate What Matters, the power sheets, but I have definitely I've been reviewing it for a year, means going through it and finally this year I decided this is the 10th year as well. So these are some of the stickers, and here, see, so pretty. Bloom where you're planted, you're strong, brave, capable, creative, and ready. So intentional is what one word I've chosen for the year, and make it happen and color code your heart out. Again, 2 pages of that. Color coding dots. Once I'm done with a little bit of my goal planning prep work, I'll definitely share it. Feel the love. Color code your goals. I think you have health, heart, different house icon, dollar icon, reading, and Cultivate What Matters. Then here is like when you hit those goals. Definitely health, financial, family, and some career goals. These are where going to be, but prep work, when we go through it, it really digs in more. Like I myself as a hotelier, I'm a HR professional, and I've worked for 10 years, but then past 4 years I've been with my baby at home. She's a preschooler now. But I decided I'd send her to school for a month, but she fell sick twice already, and this year has been a very difficult year. I lost my mom, and I had, like myself, I had a gallbladder surgery, so it was not a very easy year for me. And then I think I decided this year I'm going to homeschool her because she's only 3, and when she turns 4 I'll send her to a proper school. So I have a lot of goals to achieve, and I want to start my own business as well. So there are some things that I want, and I think this goal planner is going to really help me out with it. Prioritize it, and cultivate contentment, and highlight the good. And good things grow ever over time, 10 little by little. I love this. Cultivate would have been, mammy, is the word that I wanted to choose, but already it's a cultivate what matters, right? So I think intentional is also a good word to choose from, and it came with this card. Your new year starts here, from our small team to this. They have a very good goal school where you can plan out your goals. I'm going to go through it tonight so I can start tomorrow. This is one thing that I picked up. You have 5 accessories, so this was the third accessory that I bought. These are all the action steps and the due date. So whatever your goal, for example, your goal is to lose weight. So what are the action steps you're going to take? You're going to eat healthy, for example. You're going to watch, not have sugar. Like how much is the due date? These are all attainable goals that you can measure. And you want to lose these many kgs, you're going to walk 5 days a week or whatever. These are your action steps. So whatever your big goal is, there are some of the action steps you can take. So I got this, break it down. I think this is a life supply, quite many. So this is going to help me with the breaking down my goals. And this is the wildcard pages that you can also print it out. Yeah, but these are already printed out. So goals at a glance. You can always change your goals, right? So there are 4 pages. I think every quarterly you can update your goals. So those are there, 22 at a glance. This is one page there. This is the perpetual calendar. Fun list, things that you want to do. I want to take my daughter to a zoo. I want to go to cut certain countries. I want us to try face painting, things like that. So some fun activities that I want to try, I can use these fun lists for. Organization and decluttering things and schedule it. This definitely is very useful. What to read next, definitely. Book read this year. Reading is also one of the goals for my coming year. Create a life-giving home. Once a month, once a week, what are the things that I'll plan to do? Relationship tending, a friend I want to tend to, how I'll tend to him or her. Then financial assets, and with God's grace, our one big credit card debt is almost done. So that is something very beneficial for us. Stepping into 22, we are almost going to be over that. And financial check-in, and go to meals. What are our breakfast favorites, lunch favorites, dinner favorites? Go to dinners. This is like a meal planning page. Morning and evening routines. And January and a year of celebration for your family. You can put down everybody. This is something I'm going to use and move it into my main planner. Celebrating your wins, anything you achieved. Legacy, your legacy might add up to something monumental one day, but it will build from the smallest blocks. Use this space to get dreaming. Prepare well for a week ahead. Weekend reset. So these are some of the wildcard pages that you get, and these wildcard pages you can stick with a washi. You can stick it. So these are some of the things that came. Also, I got the washi tape. That I'll show it to you. Alright. So this is. I also got the. So I also got the washi tape that comes in a nice. I have so many washi tapes, but for my Cultivate plan, I want to use the Cultivate washis. These are all the 5 washis that comes with the bundle. You could also get some foiled ones as well. Neutral, they called it. Yeah. So So these are, I've already swatched them for you. So these are all the washes, how they look like. This is the tile pattern. It's like a pink, coral, orange, I don't know. The floral, the blue, and the green. And here are they unopened, like the roll itself. It's a thick roll. The washi quality is pretty okay. It's not like the ones that I'm used to, but for the purpose it is perfect. Quality is not that bad as well. And this is how it comes. It's good to gift somebody in this pouch, your washi. And now to the thing that we have all got this power sheet for. These are all like added on things, but this is the main thing. The goal prep for this planner is worth how much you pay for the planner itself, but like the quality, see, this is nice coiled. It came in a beautiful box. Mostly they don't send it in a box, but this year was the first time, so they got it in a box, and this box has a nice packaging, so I'll have something to store it in at the end of the year and show us what you've got. This is a lovely box. I like the way it says yes to purpose, yes to progress, yes to what matters, yes to legacy, yes to leaps of faith, and yes to dreaming. And this is the floral pattern. I definitely had to pick up the floral one the first time. All the blooms, yeah, where flowers grow there hope always comes. So it's something like that. Cultivate What Matters 22 Power Sheets Gold Planner, and it comes with this too. So my word of the year, as I mentioned, it's going to be intentional. Being more intentional, I'm going to write down what it means to me. And your best year, I'm seeing it for the first time with you guys. So order power sheets. The first thing we did already. Open your power sheets, log into Gold School, all your favorite resources in one place. Complete your prep work, 5 to page 33. Complete your goal setting pages, choose a wild card page, and fill out the first standing list. So this is the step-by-step procedure, how to go about it. Yeah, and here it goes. Let's begin. So 22 Hello Fresh start. This the paper is quite good quality as well, and this is the 10th year for them. You have some more stickers, and to break up the soil in preparation for new growth to tend to grow. That's what cultivate really matters. And then your first page starts with 22 goal ideas, so you can brainstorm and plan. That's why I need at least 2 to 3 hours with not my daughter. I just want a new environment. Don't want to sit at my room or in my office and do it, because I know my husband and my daughter will be outside, so I will, or even if they sleep, they nap for not 1.5 or 2 hours, so that's not enough for me. I need good 3 hours. That's my plan. So I'm going to go to the terrace in my house, have some water with me, maybe a snack, and go for it. What do you want to cultivate in the year ahead? Write some goal ideas and thoughts for 2022. What I would recommend, you can write down with a pencil, and then it's easier to erase, or whatever works for you. Comparison isn't just the thief of joy, it's the thief of everything. I'm going to first read it like a book, exactly what is there. So when I fill it up tomorrow, it will be much easier. So tonight I'm going to just go read it. Then it talks about where does comparison sneak into your life. Who you are helps determine where you're going. About me, what makes you come alive. Describe how you feel most days. What fires me up. And then it's cultivated life evaluation. Good, they already have these goals. For me right now, my goals I write down in my planner perfect. I have goals 4 pages, so it's a small, I put God, personal, and so on. So spiritual, personal growth, finances, work plus learning, I love this. Recreation, family, friends, health and wellness, focal relationship. I think this focal relationship is like my husband and my daughter. Friends, family. So it's, the goals are in all categories, and the colors are the one that you will use your stickers with. And then good things, what worked in the last year, what didn't work in the last year. Get ready to break free, and then who I really am. Your weaknesses can become your strength. I'm moving past my fear. Fear will try to hold us back. These days are your legacy, the big picture. Who do you want to be? Big picture visions, living out the year. Peonies grow through the dirt, and so do we. So that's about a flower. My cultivated year, it takes time to make some decisions. What I'm saying yes to, what I'm saying no to. Imagine it, your intentional year, and then you fill up all of these. You know what you want to cultivate. Now let's do something about it. Types of goals. I mean, it's like a book. There's so much to read. Rough draft of your yearly goals. Get ready for it to goal. Focus on no matter what. My yearly goals. Vision board. Make it easy to remember where to focus. Let's take the pressure off, turning challenges into opportunities. And break your goals down. Again, you break, here goes the, like, you have your goal and then you break it down, and if you need more help you can use the goal sheet. Again, it keeps going the same way. Break your goals down. So this is your goal, why, and your action plan, how you will progress over, resources, what you need. Like, for example, if I want to start a business, how much would be the investment for that business? What are the things that I would wanting to do? Things like that. If I'm going for a fitness goal, if I'm going to have a private trainer, if I'm going to be going to the gym, getting a membership, or anything like that, And you would write down and you would choose the type, whether it's a habit, whether it's a finish line, whether it's a big dream. So, and you don't have to fill up everything. At least have few goals for the first 4 months, and then you can have some maybe new ones added on. This is the yearly review. So you season 1, season 2, season 3 and season 4. Customize these pages, Wildkite library. All those things you have always wanted to do, you should go do them. All good things start with a step. I love how the colorful it is. It's not very daunting. Once I start reading through it, it will be more easier. So prepare well. Important to-dos, for example, for January, what are the important to-dos, what things I'm excited for, what's on my mind, and what I'm hopeful for. I like these 4 categories already. And then you have a monthly overview. So now this used to not come in previous years. This is something which came this year. Amanda Favorite is one of my favorite, and Plan with Laken. Plan with Laken is very goal oriented. I love her. I love listening to her in YouTube. She talks a lot about Goal School and things like that. But this is basically any of your habits or whatever goals you have for coming year. On a monthly basis, you can track them in this. Maybe it's your exercise regime, meal planning. You can use it for whatever way. You can see how, like, it's quantitative goals have been met. When your wins you can write down. You can have your social media, but for my social media, though that is a part of my goal in this, but I have a content planner which I have ordered as well. So that will be for my social media and for my business plan that I have. But the rest of it, you can put it in here. For now, this is what I would be using. Once I know more about, think about my goals and think about it, then that's the time. The first month of the year, a new year, how to do the tending list. They have given you step by step how to go about it. They also had a live session which I have not bought the tickets this year for, means online live session which I missed out. I didn't buy it, but maybe because I wanted to try first reading it myself and try seeing, because you need a good 8-9 hours one day for the live session, and I'm not in the States, I live in the Middle East. The timing is a difference, and then my husband and my daughter, I need to be with her, so it will not be very much possible. So 3 hours are good enough for me, and 3 hours and maybe few hours to just go through these. And again, monthly action, weekly action items, these are your tending lists. So that's how you go about. Month in a review, progress happens when we. So it's like, if you have so many thoughts in your mind and you have so many goals, but unless you plan the goals out, you write down it somewhere, like, you want to go somewhere, but you don't have a road, a map to go there. So it's something like this. This kind of goal planning helps you map out to the place that you finally want to reach. It helps you even realize some of the because the questions they have asked, some of them will be so direct that they will help me. Even the things I've never thought of are there in some part of my heart or in my brain, but I've not spoken out. And when I write it down, there is a power in this. When you write down something, it does manifest. So it's also about manifesting what you want, and that can happen. So it's all about reaching. And 2022 for me is going to be a very, very intentional year in every work, in my, whether it's my relationships, whether it's my health, whether it's the way I look at the world, the way I dream, the way I want to do business, my finance, be intentional with when I sit and take time for God. Because if 2021 has taught me something, it's like, everything we have got it within us. And the only thing is, we need to just channel everything in a positive direction. We need to focus on God or whoever you believe in. Focus on yourself, because if you are happy, only then you can make your family happy. So, and you need to put yourself priority, because if you prioritize yourself, you will always be able to prioritize your family. So there are things that we all have come in this world to do, and for me, 2022 I want to reach many of my goals, and one of the biggest goals is I want to start my business. I'm still deciding what business it's going to be. There are a couple of things in my mind, but yes, that's one thing I want to do for myself. And health wise, I just had a surgery in this 2022. I want to do a much better. I want to work on my strength training. Financial wise, I want to try helping my husband pay off. We have already done our credit card almost, so I want my husband to us to save some more, because he wants to open a restaurant someday back in India. My daughter, since I'll be homeschooling her till July, I want to go through her kindergarten one, all the lesson plans. I want to do the lesson plans with her. I want to take her out on a monthly basis. I want to do more activities with her. There are so many things I have planned for her as well. So, as being because I'll be a full-time mom again for till at least next July. So these are some of the things that I want to really see. Yeah. So it keeps going all the way till June. All the colors you can see until December. I think you will have in April. You will have the quarterly refresh. You refresh here. So maybe your goals have changed. In 4 months time you have achieved some of them. You have new goals, so you can put it down there as well. Yeah. And once I write it down, then I can talk more about it. Yeah. So do follow me if you have not followed me yet. I have a lot of hauls in my YouTube channel. This will be mostly, I do memory planning, so you'll mostly see memory planning spreads in my Instagram, My Life with Baby S. But you'll see hauls of stickers and washi, some lifestyle channel. If you have not visited Qatar, you must. 2022, you're going to have the FIFA 2022 in Qatar. So if you're a soccer fan, you have a friend here in Qatar. Yeah. So yeah, so do subscribe to my channel, because I will definitely have my weekly how I'm going about, or maybe monthly will be much easier way. Once I'm done with the prep work, I'm going to show my monthly. Every month I would come down end of the Jan and show you what goals I achieved. I know some of them will be personal, but I'll try sharing what I can. And this standing list is really the thing people highly talk about, because this is something you need to encouraging words, priority. This is the monthly action item, how much you progress, weekly action, and then daily actions. That will help that goal of yours to achieve that goal. So that's about it. And then 2022 in a year, and let's see how this goal planner works out for me. And then definitely if it goes well, then 2022 I'll order this again. So this is my small haul from Cultivate What Matters. I wish you all a very amazing 2022, and wishing happy festive season, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May all your goals be coming true. And stay tuned, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider subscribing. I'm sure you will enjoy my content, and do leave in the comments if you have a channel and you do such goals oriented, planning oriented videos. I would definitely like to subscribe to your channel and support each other. Let's support each other. Let's give out love. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. May God bless you. Stay blessed. So everything fits in perfectly. So the cultivate matters, all the pouches, everything fits in easily.